Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles. Today I'm going to show you how to draw the Cat Burglar from the show Superkitties. Before we get started, please feel free to like and comment and subscribe, and it really helps out the channel when you do so. Alright, so let's get started. I'm going to start with an eye. Do a great big upside down U shape. And then a bottom for that shape. And then we can do a big curve here and another smaller one, and then a little circle. Now this part right here we can color in all black. And now we can give some space and do the other eye. So there's a nice bit of space here. And now this other eye is going to be a little bit bigger because of the angle that the Cat Burglar is on. So it's going to be a wider upside down U shape. Have the bottom there. Then our inside curve here. More of an inside circle. And this here. And another big curve. And we can color this part in all black. Next thing we're going to do is a little curve here, and this is going to be the start of the nose. We can do a little V shape and give a little top to that V shape, and then have a little line coming down right here, and then a little curve and another little curve for the mouth. Now we're going to work on the mask. So we're starting here underneath this eye. We can come on up and over that eye, and then down and up again, and curve, and then we're going to go underneath this eye. Now we can work on the shape of the face. So we're going to come on down here and curving along, and right around here, this part, we're going to come on up a little bit and then come on down. So we're working on the hat now. So we're going to come on up and this way. And we can kind of go inward a little bit here and then come on down. So right here we're going to have an ear. So kind of like a triangle shape. But this ear has like a little, almost like a little cut. So see here how I did like almost a little triangle shape. And then we're coming on up. And now we can do the other ear on this side. And coming on down. And a little line here. So now let's do some of the like stripes on this character. So we've got a dark piece coming down right here, and one right here, another one right here, and another one here. And then we'll have some on the side here as well. And and the other ones that would be on this side. You can't really see just because of the way that our characters turned. But now let's get working on the outfit. So we're going to have a line coming down and then coming on up, and then one coming down and coming on up, and then we can bring a line coming on downward. It's not a straight line, it's a little bit curved. And now we can have a leg here. It's kind of curving and coming on down. And then it's got a bit of a big foot coming on up. And then bring a line up here. And we're going to work on the other leg. So this one is extended longer. And coming on up. Alright, so before I do anything else with down here, I'm going to work on the arms. So we can bring a line out this way, and we can do a little thumb, and then have a finger, another one, and one more. And now this line can meet up here with the palm, and then we can do another little curved line, not a straight line, but just like what we did right here, and bring this on down to meet this leg. Now I'm going to do a little line right here because it's going to separate one color from another color when we start coloring, and I'm going to do that down here too. One line there and one line here. And I'm going to put a line coming on down this way and make it a bit of a thick line, almost like this is where the zipper is on the Cat Burglar's outfit. So we need to do another arm. So I'm going to do a little thumb here, and 1, 2, 3 fingers, and bring that arm into the body here, and do a little curve here. And now we need a tail. And I'm going to do a little stripe here and one here, and just a few more going on along here at the tail. And we can add a few whiskers up here. And that is it for our drawing, and now we can start coloring. All right, so we are finished our picture. Thank you for drawing with me today. I hope you have the very best day ever, and I hope to see you back here for whatever we draw next. All right, everyone, have a really good day. Goodbye.